Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Michelle Iqbal and I am your science teacher of level 4. Today we will start our new chapter, the human body. Now open your books and come to page number 2. In this chapter we will discuss about human body. The human body is made up of cells, tissue and organ. In this diagram you will see that when the cells they group together they make tissue, and when tissue they group together they make an organ group together they make organ system, and the organ system then join together to form an organism. Now come to very first topic of your book, cells. All living things are made up of cells. Cells are the smallest building unit of living thing, and they are very important for an organism. So in our human body we have bone cell, muscle cell, heart cell and blood cell. In this diagram you will see the different human cell. Like blood cell we have red blood cell, white blood cell, smooth muscle cell. They are present in our internal organs like digestive system, neuron and the epithelial cell. Okay, in this diagram you will see nerve cells. They are present in our nervous system, blood cell like red blood cell, white blood cell and epithelial cell. Epithelial cells are the outermost layer of our skin, and they are present throughout the body and they cover the outer surface of organs. Now come to another topic, tissue. When the cell they group together, they form tissue. A tissue is a special group of cells which perform a similar job. When the cells they group together, they make tissue and they perform a similar job. Tissue can be muscular, connective, nervous and epithelial. So in this slide you will see the nerves tissue. Nerves tissue are present in our nerves and spinal cord. Epithelial tissue, they are the outermost layer of our skin, like the lining of digestive tract. It means it is the outermost layer of skin, and they are present throughout the body. They are the outer surface of organ. Then muscle tissue. Muscle tissue, they may be cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle and smooth muscle. Cardiac muscle are those muscles which are present in our heart. Skeletal muscle is a muscle. It is attached to the bone and produce movement in body parts. Smooth muscle are present in the internal organs like our intestine, our digestive system. Then connective tissue. Connective tissues are those tissue that connects or support other tissue and organs, and it maintains the form of the body. Now the functions of different tissues are types of tissue and their function. First is muscular tissue. It brings movement in the body. Connective tissue, it gives shape to the organs and hold them in a place. Nervous tissue, it sends signals to and from the brain. And the epithelial tissue, it covers the some part of the body. Now organ. In the previous slide we studied when cells they group together they make tissue. Now when the tissue they group together and then work together, they are called organs. When the group of tissue that work together, they are called organs. Body's functions are performed by different organs, like your eye, it is an organ, your nose is an organ. Okay, now come, like heart, it is an organ. It is made up of tissue that contracts to pump the blood to all parts of the body. It is a very powerful organ and works constantly. Your heart is an organ and it is made up of tissue. So when it contracts, it pumps the blood to all parts of your body. It is a powerful organ and it works throughout day and night and it does not stop. So what are organ? They are the when group of tissue that work together, they are called organs. Okay, in this slide you will see your heart is an organ, your brain is an organ, your stomach is an organ, your kidneys are organ, your lungs, they are organ, they are different organs in our body. Now in this diagram you will see that when the cells they group together they form tissues, and the tissues they group together they form organ, and then organ systems are formed. Now the another very important topic in our chapter is the organ system. Organ system is a group of organs which work together to do a special job. When organs they group together they form organ system. Okay, there are different organ system in our body, like digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, excretory system, respiratory system, and many more organ systems are present in our body. Okay, in this slide you will see the digestive system. When the cells they group together they make tissue, and when the tissue they group together they make organ, and then organ systems are formed. In this slide you will see when the cells group together they make tissue, and when the tissues they group together they make stomach, which is an organ, and then this organ it make organ system like digestive system, and then an organism is formed. Now in this diagram you will see that cell they group together they make tissue, and the tissue they group together they make organ, and the organ then group together make an organ system. In this diagram it is the diagram of circulatory system, that the cell of muscles, that the cell of heart they group together they make the tissue of heart muscle, and when the tissues they group together they make heart, which is your organ, and then the heart, when the organ they group together they make an organ system, which is your circulatory system. And what is the function of circulatory system? It pumps the blood to all parts of your body. Okay, and then the organ system then joins together to form an organism. So in this chapter you will understand that how the cells they group together they make tissue, and the tissues they group together to make an organs, and then organ system they group together to make an organism. Okay, now what you can do, you practice the diagrams on your copy and learn the question answer from your notes.